So why not hit subscribe?
Okay, you heard GH Live. Yada say Emo Akwaba say Uniadi Inshiamo Live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. And some nam Yansuya in some Asia na Yanyan Susansopa, Ediama football, Ghana, Asante, Kotoko, for that matter, all the clubs. Transfer window, no. Sir, you see, you the day sneak a cracker home. Aha, any idea, yeah, sure, ni must be able to me. Akoso wano. We mutu mukra na ye. Tisa, we almost have a talk a guma sa pam womwa. And also, ya dear kakra, a hadrian no air dear tuja. Kotokoni Salim Adams, Edding Comawi, Walid name a dim Comawi, almost more probiotis in Timanu. Na what them think Yama womo. As you name the air. Inti, I heard you are creating because I heard you. Also in player we young talk as a no one you name the okay players are Karela for signing woman who call no the meow as I'd be meow kumasia mummy soon mummy she and namun 2 years as a football club na unya kube and konko guava there be a choir a fast create treaty players ni be yet player a fit nan komo bisi there be anyat player koko who medical member fufro no ahwe or you fit the doctor no confirm not so you fit and so nam say be a player na ko tuja kakra che pe na penka wada Roma ni die kwan so administration or the so hwe ho yi anyway former nso ahweman almost center back Anoche Morrison say okobrekum Chelsea 3 years and the kotoko de ba ne hu and the termination ya be hu nkomo Heart of Lions so Tema United almost strike a friend of Michael Numo or na sign contracts. Walid name at the end you him dada. Na goalkeeper be a friend of Daniel Emisa. Daniel Emisa was signed 2 years contract. Ama of a pito Amewu ni team Hawaii United. Champion of champion Yankobo and 9 day for Argentina. Former Hearts of Folk midfielder Abdulaziz Nuruddin Okaino Antoniana is I'm there, my friend. Who pride on near Diana signed 2 years contracts. Nations FC any how oriented. Woman we am a Farouk Mohammed or she goes pa our division 1 or nations of Zito so and a Daha or Shannon. Blessing Ege and as a bless Ege ya both free kick a share Kamara any golden cakes no. Na obo loan from Mighty Jets and a golden cake or Sako loan El Carella. Owners and so mon ton into a loan. And nam one home. No see a cra about Tuja. I did some. Nanaba Kwame Gracious. Ona only team nam and a moko neba. Kotoko assigning players a fear, Amiesa Pambia fear, Omuna assigning Oma fear. Media Misuka Krasa and Sha na akoye duku die ni bio because duku say no ya ade. And I see any technical handlers or who se die yo. Ko fans and somebody ni ojiji die center back so na ama of samba bre. Zakari ya crowd no akukuta puma. Of about they say do share no go for fe you see everything I really Puskas ansu ashen ho asu yes nti ya hwe ya kwara for no be kwara anyway nana ba na ni players nam una da bia no mu training otu ho first of all ye misal coach Karim Zito uko training grounds describe chair ya ye ni ho ya en tanko ya tactically plan ben our chief players.
Well, many of us say na for so I say. Question ya obviously the would pa and share senior and ema ACTA or continue nowadays na very 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 sad say kodako bit ma kwakobo top 4 na a point tempo kodako end to me enyebi ama Kumase or consider 5 goals na o sheba akupe anu odi pa na me question na ubu say so no coach Karim Zito ever fa kodako team no before say last season the band na ni hu coach Karim Zito the coach mu and the trainer na only players no before set season no ever starting no make us na anu worship because me kai a baby crown puma me catch say a jumle bi puma de sa bo form catch entry say obesaki entry from the camp ni na say omo wa ma ni den ama the ball ni mu and it sounds the report and ma ya hwefo and so wa here I told him say even say team no put training na say omo e break for water breaker coach Karim Zito no e joge no can say play dia benante na wakwakon ateki ensu no to be joge kopim so ba ko di bia o kwakon mu nsu no over back the same thing ana obeye enso e wo honom now from then na me kai obo some matches be 2-3 bi na enema as na results neighbor but na enema nko yesa then supporters let's start compare on coach Prosper na te ogum our performance near day and Osha senior and Emma is Etiana from the start. I can use it to a buyer. A barber say, no, you the style of player continue no able so far because Osha top 4 a boy and as a player no egumusa no be able to
Nana ba udi onim.
and about player who is that
Udi yabeba hopa mo nemo mi bisa say wo training wo hobby. Or your type of obo back three and obo say o change of varying tactics let's say training meaning say on your technical man there but or training na say na udi can flow am I no shaking flow
coach Karim Zito o share the tactics formation or you okay with kotoko team ni mu pa 4-3-3 now oba kotoko team ni mu 4-3-3 sisi ya no o share team no the one o share team no any idea 4-4-3 formation ana obo and o share na coach Zito abo 4 back na the 4 back now he was using a brand and the Lord Amwa. Now Lord no more than one with him. But for now Oyusu Shaibu Ibrahim and Patrick ne Oshe in people. This are maybe a coach Australia in people on decision. People. And everything about Coach Karim Zito your friend say the formation and the tactics are all play or shall say Gatimuno ebetimi a quick transition from the back or no the opponent said Timuno started from the back now or more enfanko and again open forwards are omu ewo runs wingers are omutimi running more omu yasha it is sometimes we should kolokoti most players no especially the center backs no long passes. It's a idea no more practice more power. More practice no more power training grounds. Yen from the back. Now you found call. Now you more long passes. Oh, team anymore. Timo so ubusa media. Sending you coach Karim Zito or bad team anymore from over far after said coach Prosper Equoye and then now we shall send you or body games and see and it's here.
Na Canadian see players ni serious. We be say mo de lose ba ko pe ba unsu lose ba ko pe ba na ayi de da unsu tu fi a wo afu no. Into obi abu mfu ye pension so answer allow everybody to flow. Into questions now me be say we free me mu the messages are man for the aba e bi okra me answer but e say me bisa. Na ba na the team na compare the seriousness of Yanka na say papa ya train abo so ogumere any seriousness of papa or Zito era. Players now can't say.
Boss player, Usha coach Zito or buy me come or before prosperity Gimajuma after say Ukum Koya. Usha training and no more with Adako Jachie and not seriousness because sometimes no a technical director at the team and now the seriousness our training grounds our solo. And so we a player now we joke here when you man on down column or back catch though. No, I sound so I refer. Or more time, or more Asia time, Edema Kotoko. It will maybe come from training air also with and nay, Adako, that was Adako Jachie. Training the console. Emma Busa Kotoko players and say, more honorable. How many times? And I'm we need 2 with 3 chances. And how many times? Crampo and a word to him say, Boy, and was semi so a 2 ball on a movie. And now players don't want no meaning in a honor with your way. And was also with a question, I could say, Mumutinam, you here. Players send it to me dribble. That was the time I coach Karim Zito before a team. And this was the time on one recruitee, I think said 12 players at their bad team anymore. You kept push echo share for training. O show on the coach nearly how now one need players there training now. For me, our training grounds he was serious. Because yeah, say only players near training now. Or your coach there on pen steady and question. Sometimes with you catch a player, is one brown connect on a bench. One below went to me trainer, connect on a bench. So a bra near day with the training grounds in the air. Or when you're serious, the time and everything. And to bad team the time I could continue the training camp. That's how so first 2 hours. But then the time I went to be train 2 hours, 30 minutes, 3 hours. Our training grounds. So the member who I want the training grounds, the one year, the seriousness I was so I was so deep. And Tamano Ogum so honorable. Oh, sir, Coach Ogum, Coach Bia tactically make us were very good. For me, I see sir Coach Ogum tactically were very good because so Oko Kotoko training time and now Ogum Thursday, Friday, sir, a tactical play one. And Utiminya Botre, we can last season so Uka Ogum and Zito. And I may compare. So do Thursday, Friday, now Kokotoko training ground. Oh, Ogum timer. Only say omo practicing here, omo kwaye, and match day. It is a born. I was here starting from the back. Yeah, starting from the back, and here from the deeper. Player there something at the back so I'm a born I could do the front line. And I'll say be an opponent in the final third. Now I idea Coach Ogum practices hard in the power. It is a Kotoko training ground on Thursday, Fridays, Ogum timer. One time who bought giddy bias ya check, yeah, bought yeah, say, but almost a check. Yeah, started from the back, no, started from or started from the back, no, she say, not a Kodibu, or sounds from a place and sounds super back. Ever restarting your way, and some of us sounds with Yanko. But is it to time when I don't know, and Koso Sabi, with him. And Koso Sabi, with him. I don't know, I information be say after some games now players will be complaining, say there are some formation and other things they still don't understand, and that's it. Omu players or my sounds which alone, omu two who say any other. But at time now Ogumo Honor. So boys not started training. Not a do test, especially town Ogumo do test they say now Okohonma, yam peso be careful cry Ogum time. Then I say Thursday, Friday is full of tactics. And omo practicing them more. Send your omoyen on understand it, your moyen. Minka says Zito buy on yet. Why yeah, but any more sir, only Zito buy you know. Not every Thursday be on friendly game. Not every Thursday be on friendly games. And see Friday, maybe a Thursday and Friday on the more of tactical. Now and as a tactical play. No, the Coco matches them. A difference from Kakra from Prosperity Ogun and so a time. He was where Uzaya say and a bit Miaka and the Achia upon the table.
Kotoko France, Emma Adako Jachie that current situation you may who say stay any coach tactical warrior, yeah, the match day, and you rely to you rely more or tough way, but Abambuaba am a binom. Omunya Reshemu said Yama coach betimi a year free moon. And answer a bad thing. Who are confident to coaching?
Me one thing war your Ghana footballer and commercial say and Kebe. I don't know. Me nimu bebre this hard year, but teams nina na me grow more. But when I saw about Ghana has a Premier League teams no. Be 10 year. We room a more technical team in the year. I not now complaining about recruitment on it. Another man could support him and he was talking about coach Akwesi Pia for Sudan and Yema Emma because Sudan or Mama free would your pen on no players or person or domobo and not domoba. And you wait him say coach Bia Batting now say omo signing players coach in the home and they signing players. Makoko toko training grounds wa Adako Jachie your room keep share training with the coach na share the 4 friendly games as I was top 4 for me injuries koko toko team ni ma ha team ni ye pa ana tona kotoko to wo mu be shame no ma kotoko ato ma be shame no ma men ka be say o hwe kotoko team ni sisi a ade ha big teams and as a big clubs our Ghana ha they were almost signing players and they were almost saki players and also we since ya kotoko team no midfield no boss player yan check is hard here kotoko ebo game o use set kwaju o use Lord Hilary Adabo and o use Emmanuel Entry o hwe mfin for mo go last season how many players no just one play room o hwe kotoko akire hono ma say coach ne bebo Shaibu obebo Zakaria Fuseni so obebo Samba abo Patrick Esiedua until now no it's only 2 players and we akire hono o hwe kotoko anim hono me fa say anim ho ye Saka Dauda Kwame Poku ene Albert Amwadia omo the last season you know 9 e wo hono but me hu say me nim formation for coach no and I say the idea for the area players listen and yema masa players nan tin your way na say that's how I see it.
Wow, what I could train and say coach no idea of person what the train boys no players need to be picking
omunyam peke
they have no idea omunsha any idea.
Yes, because the reason why I make us answer me is your club will be the game plan and everything, yes. The philosophy in the how many times I'm doing come on? I make a choice say Kodoko supporters say Cube Jew tactical indiscipline or club. If I just okay, I say me no doing come on tactically. Oh yeah, indiscipline. Yes. But me my ashefona tia say.
Oh yeah, can me kasa wo mfa mo. Come on me die na me say me mfa ma body.
Oh yes. Sure. Say me my ashefona tia say. So we supporter because me go keep supporters 3 and I can't answer naturally. He said supporters 3 can't answer naturally. which means and your coach nature woman or when young tia more. I'm a obedient to me every technical team yasote. Emma, some media houses, media communicators say this and that. I also with team anymore. I affected some players and I affected a idea. And then your more you know when young tia say. That's how I mean who never. Because player over number 8, what will never be answer? Unconquer number 10, a Juma man, a brother number 10 will run. I don't know if sir, from a moment you have to work, you never communicate, you know, and never reflect here, and so on top for them. And people were complaining, you who's a coach in over 4-4-2, so about 4-1-3-2, so information a coach in the air. And the game plan for the team at the every game I'm open. It is a team that one idea a time for me. Yes, say almost resources if you're not unless the set players not be injured, no, as back. And you won't get them since you are there. Mama plans almost also get it back.
Na yenya Salim Adams no beka ho a former House of Folk midfielder na obebo ball high you know ye de ono beka name ano ho a still I intimi nya nkwan ni ye on
Nema and Salim I don't think so much have about the same thing that
no me can say o ma about the same thing but me pa say name ano obi a quite offensive kakra but you can say Salim no see more defensive to say bi a intimanu style ni bi meboa
yes, just a mobile. Ever tin your coach lay and I say, and because say understanding any the reason why I could have team next to the mistakes more in and say miscommunication. I want to communicate well. I want to communicate well. If they can team, I want to communicate well. Now, I want them to be say a do was Osha goes I could consider. I think set 3 or 4 goals in a set pieces. Set piece, and I could consider. And then you know, a penalty by a coordinate set piece.
I said, you have a book on an air fasting.
Yes, and he said, Omo area because time na coach Ogumo Honomono. Obia Obako to training grounds beer in Thursday, Fridays, if you are practice penalties.
Nana Jinaho. When they got a goalkeeper's coach is here, I can say, ni back of a back on home. Mebwana.
Yes, if I say Joseph Ban, right?
Of a
Joba, yes.
Go here, share. Aziz Darin, not a hard drink a crap.
And I was a hard because and near my baby and son nine went young and where Mama was go nearby.
Into offenso, yeah, ni ba buana kakra because none a jaw pan a buano. I call fan coin and anything I said, you go keep us no so ASC Buosiana.
There are some things go may they come out and say, go nearby, go now a buy. When them say, Aziz, who know the ocean who cannot answer this case with my answer upon the now, could players not answer can share. It's communication and so yes, communication and so ye of honor. The communication cost ye pa and can nipana with tie player no bob on a share and going over. And could be back at chance of all player. But no one is not drink on one side.
Nana baby saw we. Oh, sorry for Anusi, Facha me.
Let's see, maybe one is like Kodokotimono. O when young thing you coach in a 1. 2. Communication 1 day. I will give it to me. And 3. Players will be so kuma was solo.
If I dare home.
Players will Omakuma. So obi a mistake it will be instead some do common focus on. Also be worthful.
Can they need a coaching? Yes, a coach now Casachero.
Into your woman say, Kotokotimono, communication, and you man getting, any mistakes. You young thing you want say, it seems like you need players be because you so many games more. Camara any Abolo always be now the confusion about me. Away to the home. You can do MTNFA Cup anymore. Camara can go kick be. I think they're a foul. It's a toy. Actually, I've also been winning that end. You will send up my Camara. Still not on top 4 years. You would the same thing. Nana, but yeah, what player?
We are. No, means remember.
Okay. Say, Tim will not act in your more yasi. Obeying the role on the field of clear. When you say, Sanya, we be with you. It will do set piece near whom Nipa, Omoquaco Jina, Omoquaco war, Ediama Kotoko. Human one, you players on Moquaco Jina, Ediama Kotoko team. So all this communication near Dinian was if you the technical team, technical side, not about on the field of play. Now understanding I hear it, I would think now understanding I will game and move boom. Because a bunch of say understand now, then edit tactical errors, beba. We work, we nam, have say, we name the way you will the way we both born one pass, bonnie into it's also before someone, oh, young movie and try to say the same. I say, and no, a lucky on the field of play. So they don't understand maybe at the coach in the edge of the woman for now because of whom so new. So I say, Efina, or money or pick up.
Tell me a home record. Yo, Nai Johnson upon Wusu, any Joseph Amwani news at the so. Any some players be I told my friends, yes, I know Moody, because I best have Pam Siano. Is it the way to go? Who players no training grounds? How is their performance? Now, young Toya Boka cry, Nanki, more half a season be and I.
My person was say a DNT and a player be back Kotoko. That the performance and couldn't know if you could have continued more, or sounds could be a copy from more. When you say now Kotoko player, the friend money and Papa, I think the last 2 seasons.
I said you money. Just a crimes are question my teams in Ibi.
What or sign this year I'm not gonna say or sign at the Ama I think say
I think
one of the teams yes or sign the vision.
Oh okay.
Or sign at the Ama vision. And only say last 2 seasons now Uncle Yaman last season or share 12 goals and the key 6 assists in 24 matches. You must have a player bay and last season when you had 12 goals. I think it's a better than I think 13 goals or something.
Gian Toya, but wouldn't watch your training on what to say.
Now, who could talk of a player? Over fun and buy him. What you do 2 or 3 weeks. I get never a month, 2, but a new 3 months. Now, be the wow sound to terminate the player on the contract. So, for me, dear, I don't know the reason. So at the end, I'm in Panama made justification. Player also for me. He do Adams obey justification. It would minimum. Johnson, I know I made justification. Joseph Amwa, I was walking once or signing the street. That's what the bad team. Now, left backer, last season, I think he only won more matches. I know him cry. I'm not going to Francis Aquabai. No, I'm going to another left back, Eric. I didn't buy about account. Now you are using him, right back. The position is going to when your opportunity and more honor. And I say you want to open so terminating the contract or signing how many years? 4 years contract and at the mark level.
And in another, oh dear, because we monitor situations in the Maya. And to pay one analogy, the Yamia home record, crying to me expectation because we're no watching so. Yan Shadia Kakra Nanka players in Yam Pamu, Nanque Dukuye, Nian Shadia, a beer general Robert.
What there is also who terminate player on the contract. I can't advance a year for the how many weeks? Just a week from now to Sunday. And your friends say season transfer and there are no crown and shake a cow of him. Transfer now your friends give a given shake a cow of him. It will Pamu player. no aka ko new player ya aye they are on kopa I was so to yes kademano and san wa manako and I don't think say the management and super kwansa o trust in the pan akoto no two players from Moka Johnson won omina put a 4 years contract and I think say Johnson then 2 years when sana I don't know say Kotoko supporters now order that move so we there that one we don't know you have them now so you have to train with them you're starting season so work with them but for me player was so pigeon and modern boom Johnson and yet I was in a modern bolo pigeon and pitch now no use no one no and the same pitch maybe you're using how and the way I want style of playing it here the way players no more ball and yet the same thing was it Ghana how old you ball and here about so boot for boot and what outside now I am born a year but who back Ghana has a boot for boot but we're not listening here very well it's Bobo I was a coach in the as I say Bobo how you tame him but then go start your Muji League or Muji League or Muyo Masa Sabi top way when some Pamo I think say 11 or 12 players no Pamo with this season yes I don't matter how she players I do could now one yard Uncle Koshe 2 goals for Honum I'm about to put to a more referee and what's her kid I'm a boy. I'm a waffle duku and a dukuna or I'm now no or what me I top 4 because a duku go yeah I bet it's a canoe and you call penalties. Monko you need penalties. So this is the time I could have signed a contract because me not could have signed a contract 4 years no manage more power but this I could confirm you wanted the air time so could confirm you with the power air time
Matilda so when is no be training as no
sure that's the information gathering say young boy had my Wednesday and me be at some on my better to has it
Mati
the young boy had my you go switch him you take him near who give us piano you may have phone your for and so at it and it was there they are obi me happy but yeah I very
all right yes chief was Umenya abo training and calm it down. Now, say addition about top 4 you man. Let me say your pan yinya kotoko. Na yen fancy share niema ahead of the season.
Yeah, man, top 4 na bu apa. Say your top 4 even say top 4 no kwampo no. Say kotoko. And lose some games na. Ana komu winning ya. E bia na nka pinpin ho no. Yes, start season no. Nka bia brekum Chelsea. Nanka. Omo dia wo kotoko. Yes, because second console to be Chelsea, a bit affected team mentally.
It's affected team better late than never. So at least
players no. Sure, players no. Any coach no. And as some show money man, no more your money man. No more tea or money man say. Not say be cause what? And you need na or say tea about things out. About things and go how you tea fa. Ekutem. But never ones one share because there are some things go far. Of course, what one thing you can say, Obuti Musa.
Never made us.
You play a piano, you have a kind of give you. But that's
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?